My name is Patrick Packer. I own Patrick.Packer Insurance, which is a Goosehead franchise. Goosehead is a national franchise that was started by real estate agent and loan officer to kind of hasten the process for closing. Don't have to wait for the insurance agent. I have Megan, who's also with me. Megan Walker. She's my better half in the office. I spent 30 years in healthcare, so I still have that.
You're mixing up your pitches.
We are going to specifically talk about homeowners insurance, all the details within the homeowners insurance themselves, what each coverage covers and what does not come covered, especially with most coverages that are out there. When you're talking about an HO3 policy versus an HO6 policy, and for those that are landlords, you can get into the DP3 policies. But that's specifically what we're going for, is just to try to teach everyone what their specific coverages mean and how much they should possibly carry.
I love that because people speak in general terms, right? It's like you need homeowners insurance, but what does that mean? What's your coverage? Right. What's not covered? I think more importantly is the discussion on the expectations that people have on what is covered that really isn't. Last time you were in my office, we were chatting about that a little bit. How some people think they have coverage for certain items and they really don't. Yeah,
I think one of the biggest that people don't really understand is seepage. You go downstairs and you have water in your basement from an unknown source. So it's generally probably from some cracks in the foundation that were not sealed, some where the pipes are coming through that are under the ground that are not properly sealed. For most carriers, that's not covered. There's an add-on that comes with it that you have to add it on as a rider, but there's a lot of coverage that is just not there.
No, those are great conversations for somebody to have when they get insurance. And you know what, another thing I've found too, which is, well, for me, surprising, is some people don't really understand the difference between homeowners insurance and a home warranty.
That's true too.
So awesome.
Someone asked me that the other day, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
You got that question?
Yeah.
Well, cool. Patrick, we're going to share this. We'll send you a copy of it as well. We'll do a little editing and just take out a clip of what the introduction of what you're going to be speaking about. But we want to encourage people to sign up for July 26th and come to your class in the office. If you're in person, we're going to have a sponsor. We'll have lunch, and we'll also be.
I think I'm bringing in lunch as well.
Oh, you're sponsoring as well. Awesome. Great. Well, look forward to having you on July 26th then.
All right. Thanks, Jeff.